In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see and manage layers in Canva. If you've ever worked with graphic design tools, you know that managing layers is crucial for creating clean, organized, and visually appealing designs. Let's dive into the steps you need to follow to effectively see and manage layers in Canva, enhancing your design process. To get started, you'll first want to navigate to your Canva dashboard. If you're working on a new project, you can click on Create a Design. But for those of you who have existing work, simply look for Recent Designs on your dashboard and select the design you want to edit. Today, we'll revisit a previous design and I'll walk you through the process. Now that you have your design open, the next thing you'll need to do is click on a photo or any element you want to manage. This action is pivotal because it helps target the specific layer you wish to adjust. When you click on the element, it becomes active, allowing you to make changes. With your element selected, look for the ellipses, which appear as three small dots. These ellipses are typically located in a toolbar near the element. Clicking on them reveals additional options that are not immediately visible. This menu contains several features that can help refine your design. Once you've clicked the ellipses, you'll notice an option labeled Layer. Hover over this option to explore various sub-options related to layer management. Here, you have the opportunity to organize your design by adjusting the layers. The choice you make here depends on the visual hierarchy you want to achieve in your design. If you want to move the selected element behind another one, select Send Backward. This option helps in arranging the visual stack, allowing you to place the element one step behind another. It's especially useful when you need to create depth by layering multiple elements such as images, text, or shapes. And that's essentially how you manage layers in Canva. This step might appear simple, but understanding how layers work can significantly impact the outcome of your design projects. And finally, while using layer options, remember that consistency is key. Keep track of which elements need to be in the foreground or background to maintain a coherent look throughout your design. If you make a mistake, don't worry. Canva offers an undo feature to quickly revert any changes. With these steps, managing layers in Canva becomes intuitive and efficient, making your design process a lot smoother. By mastering this feature, you'll have greater control over your creative projects, leading to more polished and professional results. Happy designing!